Okay, so I'm here just to show you a couple things I want to show you off of Zoom. Let's say, and what you're going to see is you see two of me. And the reason why you see two of me is what I do is I'll log into Zoom into my same room with my phone, and so what that does is it makes it so that I can hear on my headphones what my participants are able to hear. So then I can tell if it's muted or not muted. But what I really want to show you is how do you put background music in your Zoom meetings? So let's say you want to put some fun little background music in. To do that, you're going to want to click where it says share. If I click share, you're going to see this little toggle between basic and advanced. Now, if I just want to have it under, like, make it so it's the Brady Bunch view and I just have music so I can still see all my participants, but we just want to add music to it, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click advanced. And when I click advanced, then I'm going to put music or computer sound only. If I click where it says music or computer sound only and I share, now what will happen is I can play the music. The participants will be able to hear the music. I won't necessarily hear the music through my speaker, or I can if I want to. You're not going to hear it right now, but I can make it hear through my listen to my through my speaker, or I can all just hear it right here. I hear that my participants are hearing it as we're doing it. So that's how you do it, where it's not competing. Your voice isn't competing with the music. It becomes background music to your voice, which is kind of exciting. It's kind of fun. It kind of adds a little pizzazz to your meetings or to your assemblies if you're doing assemblies as a school. So hopefully that helps with how do you get background music on. And my next video, we'll talk about how do we just share portions of the screen instead of the full screen. So I'll do that in just a moment. Thank you so much.